Children, let's revise Marathi. Marathi revision. Varnamala. Varnamala means alphabets. Swar. Swar means vowels. You have learned vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. In Marathi also we have vowels. These are vowels. Let's read. Repeat after me, children. A, A, E, E, U, U, A, I, O, O, Aha. The next letters are vyanjan. Vyanjan means consonants. Let's read them. You repeat after me. Ka, kha, ga, gha, ang, cha, cha, za, dha, ya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, wa, sha, sha, sa, ha, la, sha, gya. So children, we have read swar and vyanjan. Next is barakhadi. These are barakhadi. And this is swar again here. How this swar is formed? Let's see. This is simple a. This is a. We add a line. This line is called kana. The line is called kana. A, add a kana, it's called a. Then comes e, imarat. For e, we use the first velanti. This is called pahili velanti. This is idalimbu. For idalimbu, we use dusri velanti. After that, we have u, us. That is pahila ukar. Then we have got u, ushi. That is dusra ukar. Then we have a. For a, we have one line on top. It is called ek matra. Ek. How we write ek? With ek matra. Then we have I. Iron. That is don matra. We have two standing lines on top. That is don matra. Next is O. O has ek kana, this is kana, and ek matra. Ek matra. The next swar is O. O has ek kana and don matra. Ek kana and don matra. After that, we have this This O and a dot. It's called This dot is called, we do not say dot. We have to say anuswar. Next time when you use this dot on top, you have to say anuswar. Repeat all of you, anuswar. And the last swar is aha. There are two dots after a. These two dots are called visarga. Say all of you, visarga. Do not say two dots. Say visarga. Children, using this swar, we form the barakhadi of all these consonants. I've given you example of this ka. I've written barakhadi for the letter ka. Repeat after me. Ka, ka, ki, के, कै, को, कौ, कम, kaha. Now children, this badakhari, the swar, they help us to form the words, to make words. Sometimes we can make simple words using this consonants itself. Like for example, ka, pa, cup, ga, va, ta, gavat, gha, ra, ghar. So these are simple words. Then you can make more difficult words by using the swar, by using kana, velanti, ukar, don matra, ek matra, anything you can use. You can use anuswar. For example, you can write, supposing you want to write the spelling of sutar. So you say su. Where is sa? This is sa. And su, that is oo. Ukar, first oo. Paila ukar. So sa and oo. Su, ta, ta. Ta la kana we add and write ta, su ta and ra. So su tar ra. Sutar. This is the way we write the spellings. So I'll tell you another example. Supposing we want to write Diwali. This is the. But we want to write the. So that is E. First E. Pahili velanti. So it becomes the. And va. Vola kana. This kana we have to write. So va. The, va, ri, r, and long E. That is dusri velanti. This becomes li. Diwali. This is the way we write the spellings. Let's read some words. खालील शब्दांचा अभ्यास करा. So here there are simple 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words. Repeat after me, children. Ghar, word, nat, kamal, bhajan, chapal, gavat, halad, zawal, ananas, karvat, gaulan, kasrat, झटपट, galbat. These are simple words. Now if we add the swar and write more difficult words. This is goal, नीळा, हिरवा, कैसर, पिसारा, पैंजन, तुरेदार, दौलदार. So these are some of the simple words, difficult words, but you have to learn how to spell and write. Now using these words we can make sentences. So let's read a few sentences. खालील वाक्यांचा अभ्यास करा. Let's read the sentences. Repeat after me. शरद कप धर. नयन ढग बघ. मुळा पांढरा आहे. सिंह जंगलाचा राजा आहे. Like this way, children, you can make more sentences. Thank you.